So it inspires today's topic of reflecting on how you are using your time and energy, and are you using your time and energy in the best way? Someone who reflects a lot. So it's that pausing for, an intentional period of time and just looking back over a specific period of time and reflecting what worked well, what isn't working so well, and looking at specifically how you want to move going forward. So where you want to keep things, what things that you want to keep, what things that you want to chuck, and what things that you might want to just, put on hold for later. So spending any time. Are you so busy in your life that you don't even stop to reflect and look at what's going on, and what might need to change? Because remembering, we are all in the driver's seat of our own life. So if you don't stop, if you are so busy being so busy, or if you are so busy intentionally or unintentionally staying busy to ignore what actually wants your attention, you're going to miss those opportunities. So it's a really valuable practice to hit pause, and you can set up a practice of, find a nice space that you enjoy sitting in, or go walking, sit with a journal, or just sit with yourself and reflect. Ask yourself some questions. What's going well? What isn't? Where do I need to redirect my energy? What's lacking some of my energy and attention? What's getting too much of my energy and attention? What's not worth my energy and attention? And figuring out for yourself what needs to stay, what needs to go, and what you can put on hold for later.